Instead of like right now, I can get all the way to the fish and then hit my brakes and catch him because they're not spooky. But after, next month, I'll be creeping from 30 feet to 15 feet. I'll be creeping so slow to that fish because once you get one good opportunity, the first opportunity is always the best.
Absolutely.
The second opportunity, you got a 50-50, and then the third opportunity, you don't have a good chance. But you see that size class fish, and you want that fish,